Ahead of the Republic Day, another desperate attempt of Pakistan to push terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir has been foiled by BSF this morning. The alert BSF personnel, while carrying out the anti-tunnel drive, detected this tunnel along the international border here in Jammu Division's Hiranagar sector, which is in Kathua district, and this tunnel is 150 meters long. The origin point of this tunnel is on the other side of the international border in Pakistan. Since you can see this tunnel is 150 meters long, and it's clear that this kind of tunnel could not have been dug without the help of Pakistani rangers. So the hand of Pakistani establishment is clearly visible as far as this particular tunnel is concerned, and this tunnel has been detected right before the Republic Day here in Jammu Division's Kathua district. So it's a big success for the security forces, because in the past also, in the recent past also, Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists had managed to infiltrate by using a tunnel along the international border in Jammu Division's Samba district, and now again a tunnel has been detected along the international border. This is a ploy by Pakistan to push terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir, and the origin point of this tunnel is on the other side of the international border in Pakistan, and Pakistani rangers have clearly helped the terrorists to dug this tunnel. That's what the senior BSF officials have told us. And as far as the recoveries which have been made inside the tunnel, look at this. I will just ask my camera person to show you. These sandbags, Karachi-made sandbags, have been found from inside the tunnel. So clearly Pakistan's hand gets established. Pakistan has always been looking for an opportunity to create mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir. In the past also, Pakistani terrorists have infiltrated through tunnels, and now again a tunnel has been detected here along the international border in Jammu Division's Kathua district. The senior BSF officials have told us that they are going to intensify their anti-tunnel drive along the international border in Kathua district, in Samba district, as well as in Jammu district. But it's a big success for the security forces. Right ahead of the Republic Day, a tunnel has been detected along the international border in Jammu Division's Hiranagar sector, which is in Kathua district, and the nefarious designs of Pakistan and terrorists have been foiled. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from the international border in Jammu Division's Kathua district along the international border for India Today. Ahead of the Republic Day, a sinister plot of Pakistan to push terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir has been foiled by the BSF. A 150-meter long tunnel has been detected along the international border in Jammu Division's Kathua district, and once again Pakistan's pro-terror face stands exposed. We are now being joined by IGBSF Jammu Frontier, Mr. N.H. Jamwal. Mr. Jamwal, first of all, thanks for speaking to India Today. Sir, another attempt from the Pakistani side to push terrorists into Jammu and Kashmir has been foiled. A tunnel has been detected by the BSF. Sir, share some more details about this.
We had started a campaign that is called anti-tunneling drive, and which is going on for last 6 to 8 months all along the border, and as a result of that anti-tunneling drive, we have detected this tunnel. So it's a third tunnel that we have detected in the last 3 to 4 months. This tunnel is about 140 to 150 meters long, about 25 to 30 feet below the ground level, and the dia of the tunnel is about 2 to 3 feet. So it's very convenient for a person to enter the tunnel and crawl over and exit on the Indian side.
Sir, what items have been recovered from inside the tunnel?
Very recently, because we have just started the operation, and so far we have been able to recover some sandbags which have the marking of the Pakistan. There are a few wooden logs which are used to support these sandbags. The process will be on. I think in due course of time we'll still find out more.
So do you think that any terrorists have infiltrated through this tunnel in the recent past?
I don't think in the recent past this has been used. Earlier it has been used or not, it's a matter of investigation.
It's not a new tunnel.
It doesn't seem to be very new. it doesn't seem to be very new tunnel.
And the origin of this tunnel is from on the other side of the international border.
Yes. The origin, the entry on the Pakistan side is about, our assessment is about 30 to 40 meters inside Pakistan.
So you think that this kind of tunnel cannot be, dug without the help of Pakistani rangers?
Obviously, it can't be dug without the assistance, connivance, concurrence of the establishment in Pakistan.
Thanks for speaking to India Today.
Thank you.
So that was IG BSF Jammu Frontier, Mr. N.S. Jamwal, clearly saying that it's a big success for the border security forces. Another tunnel has been detected along the international border here in Kathua district, and he's saying that BSF is going to intensify its anti-tunnel drive all along the international border in Jammu division.